Hello everyone, welcome in our channel. Today we will make login and registration with local database. Okay, first thing we make a layout of main activity and register activity that contain only edit text, button and other design. On the home activity we can view our details and access to change password or edit information. We create a pop-up for it, first to edit password, and second for edit information. So, in main activity we declare edit test, button, and text view to convert between login and register view, then we take instance from database helper. Let's go to database. In database we have three package, first for data, second for model, and third for util. In util we declare database name, version, and table name, and our column, we need 4 column id, username, password, email. After this we make a Pojo class to make constructor and getter and setter methods. Now go to database class. This extend from open helper. In on create method we declare our table, and we make 3 method. First add user to add information of only one person in database. Second delete, to delete user if you want. Third update, to update information. Run the application and see the result. Finally you will find the source code in the description below. I uploaded in GitHub. In the next video we will make this application but by using Room. This is an architecture component. We will reduce this code and make it easy to reuse. Thanks guys to watch my video. If you see that is useful please don't forget to make subscribe and like of this video.